Hi guys, it's me, Mason again, and this is part two to explaining every hurricane of the 21st century. Today we're talking about Tropical Storm Beryl of the 2000s hurricane season. If you haven't seen yesterday's video talking about Arthur something, I don't know, then go check it out. But this is the second storm of the 2000s hurricane season. And also, if you want to know about the 2000s hurricane season, once again, go check out yesterday's video. Tropical Storm Beryl was made landfall just south of the U.S.-Mexico border in mid-August 2000, causing minor damage. The second named storm of the 2000s hurricane season, Beryl originated as a tropical wave near the African coastline. It tracked westwards. The wave failed to organize stability until it entered the Bay of Campeche, at at which time it developed into a tropical storm barrel, rapidly dependent on it in the Gulf of Mexico. You guys are reading this. A and tensed it was forecasted to strengthen into a hurricane under foreseeable conditions for development. Instead, Barry remained a mod tropical storm intense and fatalities in the future. It made landfall in the Mexican state of Tampul. Pep cannot read that. A weak a weak tropical storm with winds of 50 miles per hour on August 15th, 2000, and it dissipated over the mountainous terrain shortly afterwards. One one death was reported in Mexico due to drowning. Yeah, that's pretty sad. Otherwise, no significant damage was reported with Beryl as affected a the area of Mexico. So this is what Beryl looked like in the 2000s. It formed August 13th, 2000. It dissipated August 15th, 2000. And highest winds were 50 miles an hour, 107 millibars, one fatality, and only $27,000 in damage. Yeah, it only affected northwestern Mexico and Texas. And and that, that's it, everybody. That's it. I will, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next weather report and and hopefully to see the next storm. Bye.